Hi, my name is Justice Sunderman, and my issue in technology is um, technology within the classroom or in education. So, what does technology in the classroom really mean? Allowing students to use technology in the classroom allows them different opportunities and ways of doing things such as lessons, quizzes, research, or projects. With tech in the classroom, there are some benefits and some disadvantages that come with it. Some benefits of having technology in education would be things like giving the students a way to further their education by doing more extensive research than what may come from a lecture. It also allows students to better their understanding of a subject through research. Lastly, technology can help students to further their creativity in their assignments, which sometimes helps with their understanding as well. That said, there are some disadvantages as well. Technology could cause the students to drift away from the subject they are originally using the technology for. This can cause distractions from the lesson by the urge to click on ads or play games rather than doing their work. The students could also become more disengaged in the subject or lesson because they are just working to get it done to do other things with the technology rather than working to get the assignments done and achieve a good grade. A big disadvantage for having technology in the classroom would be the cost. It is definitely not cheap to supply enough computers for a school full of students. That said, with technology on the rise, public schools in the US now actually have one computer per 5 students, and some classes actually have more than that. However, there is no proof that the technology increase is causing students' test scores to rise. So, as a conclusion, tech in the classroom does have some benefits that really do sound nice, though there are some costly disadvantages as well, which may lead us away from technology in the classroom in the future.